How to correctly use Stremio on Android in seconds. Hey everybody, in order to quickly start using Stremio on your Android device, you can follow up these steps. So first of all, download and install the application and open it up on your particular device. And then once you open it up, you will be finding this interface where you can go ahead and either sign in with an existing account or create a new one. So just go ahead and do so first. And then once you do so, the app will prompt you to select content categories like movies, series, etc. That will help Streamio curate personalized recommendations for you. Now, what you may do is you can just browse the library and start watching the content, and Streamio will suggest more based on your viewing history. Here, you will be finding all of the contents available. Go ahead and look out for in order to do so. Apart from that, you can add add-ons to correctly use Stremio. So look out for add-ons option in the dashboard. And from there, you may go ahead and install the add-ons that you may prefer for more uh, accurate using, like in order to be more comfortable, or filter it out. Again, use the search bar at the top to add different add-ons that you prefer and even select the category of add-ons that you have. Apart from that, we have this discover option. Look out for this option and discover the shows or series that you may want to watch. Look out for search anything at the top of your screen and use the search bar in order to search for your favorite shows. And you can even go ahead and add up movies to your library and basically view it later as well. And in the last, we have a settings option. You can basically look out for different settings available within the application and just go ahead and use it. So therefore, if you'd like to correctly use Streamio on Android, you may also follow up these simple steps in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.